So do we always feel like washing the juicer and putting it away? No, but it's worth it. So this was just a pulp from a quick green juice with mostly some celery and some cucumber and a little bit of spinach. So not a whole bunch of sugary fruit juice, but I'd rather focus on this as healthcare more than medical care after, right? If you need medical care, that's one thing, but prevention is a lot better than cure, you know? And then also, it's not really that expensive. You don't have to use a million cucumbers, just some celery, maybe one cucumber if you have, and a handful of spinach, right? So I'm thinking of this as just to get it in my bloodstream for a detox. And if you have habits like this, these habits go a long way as opposed to an extreme, or what may seem extreme to some people in terms of their pockets and mentally in terms of fasting. So it can really go a long way if we just incorporate a green juice, especially if you feel like you want to cleanse your system or you just want to do something today. You don't have to make it so big and overwhelming. So it's worth it to clean the juicer. And do we feel like showing all of these raw peanuts and putting it away and doing the compost? No, but what else are you doing with your time? People are finding lots of time for video games and Candy Crush and things like this. And once you get your hands in the soil and you get engaged in the compost, it gives you a whole nother respect for food. So